Hi, my name is Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about ACT math guessing strategies. Now, as you might imagine with ACTs, it's similar to the SATs in that they're testing you through your skills in 11th grade math. Now, what you got to think about here is through 11th grade, you should already have had Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. Now, when it comes to guessing, it's really important that you have the skills through the 11th grade math, through Algebra 2, to be able to go in there and see what solve as many problems as you possibly can. Now, when it comes to guessing, here's what you really want to think about. First, you want to use your skills and as well as use your reasoning to be able to figure out what kind of choices can you narrow. Obviously, if you have 4 choices, you want to narrow it down to as little choices as possible, preferably to the correct answer, but narrow down to the best 2 possibilities. Use whatever work and skills that you have to be able to narrow down as many choices as possible. You know there's not going to be any penalty for guessing, so definitely do not leave any questions blank. Definitely guess whenever possible to give yourself the best possible score chance. However, and this goes back to the first point, you want to make an educated guess. And this is where using the skills that you've acquired becomes very, very important, because you do want to work through as much of the problem as possible and then seeing what you have, seeing what kind of choices that are there are possible, and that'll allow you to eliminate the really bad choices. So don't guess just for the sake of guessing, but see if you can make an educated guess, and that'll definitely help you get as high a score you can on the ACT. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and there are a few of the ACT math guessing strategies.